Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Smart Antibacterial Humidifier, and I'm going to show you how you can easily change name of this device. So at the first we have to grab our Android phone, then enter Mi Home application. Next we have to choose our device, then tap on the three dots in the right upper corner, and then we have to go for the device name. So as you can see, we can easily change it. If you change the name, you have to click OK, and as you can see, the name of our device has changed. Right here, and also right here. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!